Google just released a new tool, and with this tool, you can actually create anything with your image. Yes, I mean anything as far as your imaginations and creativity can reach, guys. With this tool, you can actually turn your picture, your images into anything you desire online, right? You can make a particular image to have certain elements. For instance, you can remove something from your image, you can add a background, you can add a twist of any kind to your image, right? You can change the outfit, you can match different images together and achieve something with those particular images. It's very interesting to know that over the years back, this is what only Photoshop, CorelDRAW, and other sophisticated, editing tools used by graphic design. This can be done only with those tools. But right now, anybody with no particular design skill can actually achieve this with this particular tool. Now, the name of the tool is called Nano Banana. And right now, it will interest you that Gemini, which is Google, has integrated this particular tool into their softwares whereby you can just edit any image without changing the face, without changing anything about the image. Now, the cool thing about this is that you can use it for your image, you can use it for anything realistic, right? Without altering the original image. In fact, you can enhance the video, you can enhance the quality of the image without you disrupting the original image. All right. And another thing you can do with it is you can have your picture, then take it over to picture to video particular app, and you can make a video out of it, right? Using your flow, your Google Vids, your Gemini to make the video creation, or any particular image to video tool you are having. All right, guys, this is good. All right, now the first thing you have to do is to download your Gemini app. Then to take it to a platform like this, then you click on this image icon. But if you are not seeing this image, you can just click on this filter button right here. Then you're going to select image. Nano Banana is already integrated with this particular tool. All right, so for instance, I'm going to upload one of the image I'm having. All right, so I'm going to select this particular image right here. Then I'm going to instruct this particular tool to actually change the outfit. So I'm going to write change the outfit of this image to white t-shirt actually. All right, guys, then I'm going to send it over. Then wait a few seconds for my image to actually generate. All right, so you can see the image is out. Now you can see it's turned into a white outfit from this image. Now you can see from this particular image then to this image. Can you see the resemblance of the faces, guys? You can see that there are no changes at all. You can see the glasses. The particular picture that is here is actually there, right? You can see, guys, this is a great tool. You can see, guys, no alteration at all, no alteration of any kind. You can click here to download your image, so it will be downloaded. Now I want to remove this black crossback, and I'm going to write, can you remove the black cross bag? And now let's see the magic is going to create, guys. Let's see it. All right, we just wait a few seconds for the image to be created, guys. All right, guys, as you can see, the crossback is actually removed and all the quality is still there, right? Guys, you can see this is a very great tool. This is a very, very, very great tool, guys. So you don't need to spend expensive money on creating image. So far, it's your image, so it's not fake, guys. It's not fake. It's just as if you are removing the outfit. Anybody can wear different outfit at any time, right? It's actually how you are going to be if you use this particular outfit. All right, guys. Now I'm going to do something again. I'm going to tell you to write digital profit up. Write digital profits up on the t-shirts, and let him put on a cap with the name digital profits up. All right, let's see the results, guys. Guys, isn't this amazing? Isn't this amazing, guys? Guys, look at this. This is amazing. All right, guys. So with this particular tool, you can actually edit. You can change the background. You can add another person to the scene. You can just do a lot of things with it. So at your free time, you can explore this particular tool. It's very easy to use. To get the pro account, There is a way we actually do that in the real AI creation community. In the real AI creation community, we keep bringing him more of these updates, guys, regularly. All right, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.